Good evening. Hollywood superstar Will Smith has been spotted in some truly bizarre scenarios, all involving one common thread: spaghetti. From tightropes to bumper cars, Smith's noodle-filled adventures have taken social media by storm. But what's behind these hilarious stunts? Let's dive in. In a setting meant for silent study, Will Smith kept things quiet, except for the occasional twirl of spaghetti, because when it comes to pasta, no location is off-limits. While others focused on perfecting their balance, Will Smith had a different challenge in mind, making sure his spaghetti stayed right where it belonged. With a plate in hand and everyone else unaware of his pasta-filled mission, Will once again raised the bar on absurdity. At the gym, most people were focused on their own workouts, but a few raised eyebrows couldn't be helped. Will Smith's cardio routine now included a side of spaghetti, though keeping up with the noodles seemed tougher than the treadmill. In the air, it was just Will and his pasta. No onlookers, just the challenge of keeping his noodles steady through the turbulence. Even mid-flight, he was determined not to lose a single bite. Bumper cars are chaotic enough, but add spaghetti to the mix, and you've got a recipe for disaster, or in Will Smith's case, a recipe for laughs. Only a few took notice of his noodle-filled fun. And then, the ultimate challenge: eating spaghetti on a roller coaster. With no audience, it was just him versus the speed, and let's just say the spaghetti didn't stand a chance. At the bowling alley, Will's pasta indulgence didn't go unnoticed, but most were too busy lining up their strikes to pay him much attention. Still, those passing by couldn't help but sneak a glance at this unconventional lane-side snack. Underwater, it wasn't people watching Will, but the fish that seemed the most perplexed by this aquatic spaghetti experiment. Even under the sea, Smith's determination to dine on pasta remained unshaken. In the quiet of space, with no audience at all, Will's zero-gravity spaghetti floated freely around him. Not even the vastness of the universe could stop him from trying to enjoy a meal. And for the grand finale, dining with dinosaurs. But even in this Jurassic spaghetti showdown, it seemed the dinosaurs were just as invested in their meals as Will was in his. So why all the pasta? Will Smith's new campaign, cheekily called Pasta La Vista, is all about reminding us to find humor in life's most absurd moments. Whether it's inside a helicopter or dining with dinosaurs, his message is clear. Life is a little more fun when you embrace the ridiculous, especially with a plate of spaghetti in hand.